If you need to delete a recurring event in Google Calendar, whether it's just one instance or the entire series, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can remove the event without accidentally deleting the wrong dates. This is a really helpful trick if you have a repeating meeting, class, reminder, or appointment that you no longer need. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech how-to guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device and find the recurring event you want to delete. You can use the calendar view, the schedule view, or even the search option if you have a lot of events. Once you see the event, click on it to open the details. This part is important because recurring events usually give you a few different deletion choices, and you want to pick the one that matches what you actually need. Now, look for the delete option, which is usually shown with a trash can icon. Click delete to begin the removal process. After that, Google Calendar will ask how much of the recurring series you want to delete. This is where you need to pay close attention. If you only want to remove one meeting or one occurrence from the series, choose this event. That will delete only the selected date and leave the rest of the recurring events untouched. If you want to remove the selected event and every future occurrence after it, choose this and following events. This is useful when a repeating schedule is changing and you want to stop everything from a certain point onward. If you want to completely remove the recurring schedule from your calendar, choose all events. That deletes the full recurring series, not just one date. Once you've selected the correct option, click OK or Delete to confirm your choice. Google Calendar will then process the removal and the event or series will disappear based on the option you selected. If you don't see the change right away, refresh your calendar or check the date range again to make sure the event is gone. And that's it. You now know how to delete Google Calendar recurring events the right way, whether it's one occurrence, future events, or the full series. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials like this one.